Hi guys, my name's Ellie and welcome to my channel. Today I want to play with this. So my lovely boyfriend got this for me for Valentine's birthday because we just opened birthday, Valentine's, and our anniversary gifts on the same day. So he got me this. It looks like this. I will include some swatches here. Hi guys, so today we have some swatches of the new chocolate gold bar from Too Faced, which actually isn't that new. It's new to me. My boyfriend gave it to me for Valentine's birthday. So, it is gorgeous, super shiny, super reflective, and it's snowing outside. So, oh, I didn't plan this out. I didn't bring anything to like wipe my hands on between things, but it'll be fine. So I'm just gonna go across the top. So here we've got money bags, chocolate gold, rich girl, and cocoa truffle. Mop, mop. Ooh, I'll put this down my nose. We'll do decadent, love and cocoa, old money, and new money. Let's put that next to it. Let's see how you guys look. Yeah. Map. I'm feeling pretty and sparkly. And then we'll have famous, classy and sassy, so bougie, and holla for a dollar. Yep. Ooh, I do like a good olive green. And then the last four are gold dipped, livin' lavish, dripping diamonds, words, and rollin' in dough. Let's see. Mip, mip. Ooh. You can't see rollin' in dough, can you? It's good, because it's a cream shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid as a base. So, here are the colors. And I want to get this on my face, so let's get started. I even have matching brand primer. I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. My foundation is already on, so we're going to get down the base shade, set my foundation, and then we'll have fun to play with. So I'm going to start with Rollin' in Dough as just a cream shade to go for my creased brow bone. Picking that up with this brush that I use, Bogashi. That's a name. So yeah, this is basically my skin tone. So that works really well for me. Does it look any different to you guys? No. Which is good. I really like these shades to help with blending. Okay. Now I'm going to set my foundation with my Coty Airspun powder. Okay, so I don't truly know what I want to do with the eyeshadow yet because as you can see there's a lot of option, but they're all a lot of neutrals. We're kind of like gold dipped. Maybe I know what I'm doing. Maybe. So I'm going to just start with So Bougie, the little transition shade on the brush, and we'll just pop that in my crease. And as has been my history with Too Faced matte shades, that's very quick and easy and just kind of blends itself out. Probably helps that it's a light color and I'm a light person. Yeah, that's really nice. So I'll put some on the other eye before I get too extra. I'll do a little more on this side. Okay, so while I'm still deciding what I want to do on my face, I'm going to run that same color underneath my eyes as they get all washed out because I'm pale. I like that. Looks nice and neutral. Okay, that's cute. So next I'm going to go in with Cocoa Truffle and just kind of deepen up the outer edge. It does still smell like chocolate, like all the chocolate bars. And then run over it with my blendy brush. I just realized you guys could be, you can't be that much closer. Let me try and get you a little closer. Mildly closer. So let's do Cocoa Truffle on the other side. Okay, I'm liking that. So I think I decided what I want to do, and I think I want to do gold dipped transitioning into Holla for $1 on the outer edge. That sounds pretty for me. And then, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take a little bit of Cocoa Truffle on a pointy brush and do my lower lash line. Blend it out. And then, do I want to do the same on both? Let me do, I'm going to start with Holler for $1 on the outer corner with my little Morphe G20. Knock off some color and just, oh, that's pretty. Kind of what I wanted the green and the chocolate bar to be. They've made some progress on their metallic shades, you can tell. You see it? Bit of a Grace Helbig moment. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? She does it better than me because she's funny. Okay. I think it's looking more brown to you guys, but it's this really nice deep olive green in person. Which is good because this was a gift from my boyfriend and his favorite color is olive green, so he will enjoy me wearing it to our date tonight. I'm liking this. Okay, so next step is gold dipped on the inner half. Oh, I didn't make a plan for my inner corner. We'll figure that out when we get there. And I was picking that up on the Ultra brush that I like and I have no idea how to get more of. Oh, that looks so pretty. So pretty. So I'm tempted to put more down, but I don't think it needs it. I think that's more than enough. I am tempted to run something on the lower lash line, but I don't know, I think I like it this way. Yeah, I think I might mess it up to do that. So, we're gonna pause myself there, and then I think I'm gonna take this itty bitty little detail brush, Morphe 213, and I'll pick up Rich Girl and do that on my inner corner. Which I'm excited because this looks like a shade that I have in another palette that just doesn't work as well. And I think since they've been working on their shimmer shades and making them creamier, I can then just use this one without having to do the other one with it like a glitter glue. Oh, this is nice. That ended up more opaque than I planned, but it's pretty. So, I think we're gonna be adults and just stop it there before I get extra. And I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really like it. I think this palette's really pretty. So, do I think it's a run out and buy it right now type product? Probably not, but if you need some extra neutral shimmers, I in general have liked Too Faced formula. Most products I've bought, the holiday formula is a little less nice or consistent, but these shimmers are gorgeous. They're really, really opaque, and as you can see from the pans, it looks like I haven't even touched anything. There's no dips forming, not really any texture. They're just, it didn't take much product at all to get an opaque color. They blended really nicely. They're pretty. I'm excited about this, so this is probably going to be like the fastest first impressions ever, but I do intend to do a more in-depth follow-up review, but I am doing several painting projects, so this might be a while. If you're interested in seeing that, go ahead and subscribe, and then you will get notified if I ever get it up. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. This is something I saw it, and I was kind of interested, and then I wasn't interested, and then I saw more reviews, and I was like, actually, that's really, really pretty, and I really like it, and I was like, no, Ellen, you don't need more neutral stuff, and then I was like, I kind of really still want it. So, luckily my boyfriend was sweet and gave it to me for Valentine's birthday, and now I get to use it, and it is really pretty. This might be one of my 1 month, 1 palette type things. Probably. So, quick, sorry that I didn't do this to you guys earlier in the year and that I don't have more wear on it, but nice first impressions. I'm really happy with it, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.